Now remember, whatever notes here I'll write down, that you have to remember. Gravitation is a non-contact force. Which kind of force? Non-contact force. Physical contact is not necessary for gravitation force. It is the weakest force. It is the weakest force. Third characteristic, it attracts only. It means it never repels. It will never repels. Among all the forces, only gravitation force is such kind of force that will never repel. That never repels. All the other forces, for example, if we discuss about electrostatic force, it is also non-contact force, but it will attract as well as repel. If we think about magnetic force, we know that unlike poles attract, like poles repel. So repulsion and attraction both are possible for other forces, but for gravitation it has only and only attraction. It has only and only attraction, and it is the weakest force among all. Now, what are the benefits of the gravitation? Whenever we are learning about some new topic, we should know the benefits. Why should we learn? Gravitations have maximum benefits in our life. We can walk, we can ride, we can play, we can build, construct any buildings. Without gravitation, nothing can be stand erect. If we want to build a big building, then also gravitation is necessary. If gravity is there, then the footing can be stand and the attraction will be done by the earth and building can be stand erect. So without gravitation, we never imagine our life. Now we should learn what is gravitation and how it occurs. Different scientists perform their activities regarding to this gravitation, but the universal law of gravity is given by Sir Isaac Newton. Newton has derived different laws for forces, and as we know that gravitation is also a kind of force, and he has given the universal law of gravitation. So if we want to know more about it and Newton's achievement, then he had written the book named Principia. The history of that book was that when he was busy with writing, accidentally he went out for some work and the pages had been fallen by his pet cat and maximum pages had been burnt. Only a few pages left. So this book is contain the few pages that were written by him, and whatever informations we have at present, it is because of Principia. So we should read whenever we get the opportunity. If we search about this book on the Google, then also we can find out. He had written so many theses, so many formulas regarding to science, particularly physics, and in mathematics also. He had written so many formula regarding to calculus. Calculus is a faculty of mathematics. It will be started from class 11, not in class 10 also. So once again, according to Newton's law of gravitation. So we'll learn about the universal law of gravitation. We'll learn about universal law of gravitation. What does it states? That two objects in the entire world though they are tiniest particles or hugest planets attract each other. This gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of their distance. Let two objects A and B having mass m1 kilogram and m2 kilogram are at r meter distance. So, force, gravitational force F proportional to m1 m2, it is result 1. F proportional to 1 upon r square, it is result 2. From result 1 and 2, F proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. If we want to remove this proportional to sign, we should keep equal to, yes, and add some constant. So F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, where G is equal to universal gravitational constant. So it is the formula to find out the force.